In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Cloudways server credentials. If you ever need to connect to your server through SSH, work with deployment tools, or share access securely with a technical team, it's important to know where these credentials live inside Cloudways. A common point of confusion is that your Cloudways account login is different from your server level credentials. In this walkthrough, we're focusing specifically on the server access details inside the platform. First, open your browser, go to the Cloudways platform, and sign into your account using your normal login details. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top navigation menu and click on Servers. This will open the list of servers attached to your account. From here, find the specific server you want to work with and click on it to open its management area. As soon as the server page loads, you should land in the server management section. By default, you'll usually see the master credentials area, and this is where the key information is stored. In this panel, you'll find the server's public IP, which is the address you use when connecting remotely. You'll also see the username and password tied to that server's master access. One helpful shortcut here is that Cloudways makes copying these values very easy. Instead of manually highlighting the text and risking a typing mistake, you can click directly into the username or password field to copy it. That's especially useful when you're pasting credentials into a terminal or secure connection tool. If you need to update these credentials, you can do that from the same area. Click into the username or password field to edit the current values, or use the password edit option to generate a new secure password. After making your changes, click Save to apply them. This is a good habit if you're rotating access, onboarding a new administrator, or simply improving security. For stronger protection, you can also set up SSH key authentication. Next to the basic credentials area, open the SSH public keys section. Click Add Key, enter a label for the key so you can recognize it later, and then paste in your public key from your local machine. Once you save it, Cloudways will authorize that key for SSH access, allowing passwordless login from the device associated with that key. Before you finish, take a moment to verify everything carefully. Make sure you're looking at the correct server, confirm the public IP is the one you intend to use, and review your SSH key entries if you added one. This quick check helps prevent connection issues and keeps your environment secure. That's it. You now know how to find your Cloudways server credentials and manage them safely inside the platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.